Hello? No. This is Data Shelly, FBI. Secret investigator of paralegal and covert activities by the IRS. You have the wrong number. Smoulder.
When I got your message that you'd broken the back of the missing taxpayers case that we've been struggling with for 3 years, I sauntered right over here. What have you found out?
It's abduction, all right. Only for once it isn't space aliens. It's the IRS themselves.
It makes sense. We've known all along that before they disappeared, they all received life-shattering penalties. But where does it take us?
Here's your plane ticket.
What is this place?
Some kind of holding facility.
Who's he?
Joseph Bobcat Harrison. Plumber, bowling league champ. Wife, 3 kids, mostly grown.
What did he do?
He filed a tax return.
It wasn't for me. I swear to God, it wasn't for me.
What wasn't for you, Mr. Harrison?
The money. The park down by the lake was so bare. So I decided to organize bowling for bushes. I printed the flyers, I rented the shoes, I collected the money. I bought and planted the bushes. Joe Bobcat Harrison gets things done.
What else, Mr. Harrison?
Well, I put the money through my account. I was honest. It was for the park. I had receipts. But at first, the IRS counted it as income. And then when I explained, they charged me with fraud. I guess I was out of my league.
The IRS knows how to turn a strike into a gutter ball.
There are others.
Who's she?
Nona Bess Lubbock. Her friends call her Tammy. Miss Lubbock, do you know why you're here?
I never had much, but I got by. And then one day, I picked 5.
5 what, Miss Lubbock?
I won the lotto. I used the money to open my own hair salon. I knew just what to call it. Lotto Hair. And then, after the first year, tax time, well, it was all beyond me. So I called Curtis Underwood, the tax man. Fine reputation. Plus, I spent all those hours on the IRS hotline, talking to them tax assisters. Why, if it hadn't have been toll free, I would have had to pick another lucky 5 just to pay the phone bill.
And did they help you?
Help me? Why, for every right answer, they gave me a wrong one. Well, I tried to straighten it all out, but I ended up here.
This is all beginning to add up.
So are the frequent flyer miles.
Is driving a Buick Riviera a crime?
No, it's not, Mr. Friedman. Why are you here?
My wife Sylvia and I went to the annual golf gala at the country club. In the parking lot that night next to the Porsches, my Riviera looked like a Buick. Maybe a few weeks later, the IRS calls me in for an audit. They want to go back 10 years in my records. Why? Just interested, they say. No. Interested is a phone call. Anyway, 4 years later, with the IRS accountants in disagreement, me out nearly $100,000 to my accountants and lawyers, they just drop it. Sorry, we were wrong, they said. Goodbye.
Get to the good part, Mr. Friedman.
Well, as I'm leaving, the agent gets a call. I excuse myself to the bathroom in his office. I turn on the water. But I can hear everything.
Yeah, we're done with Friedman. No, he was pretty clean. A good sport, too. He played. Where you off to? Boca Raton Hotel. Those license plates should bring in some good clients. But lay off the Buick Rivieras. They're not worth the time.
I went through all that just because my car was parked in a place that looked rich. I decided to take my story to Mike Wallace. He was hot for it. Then I woke up here. Wherever here is.
Do you think that really happened? I mean, where is this place? Where is here?
And we thought this case was over.
It will be over. Someday.
The truth is out there.